In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping on Squarespace. Let's start from your Squarespace account dashboard. After signing in, open the main dashboard, then go to your website so you're working inside the site editor. From there, open Settings. Inside Settings, choose Website, then Selling, and finally open Shipping. This is where all of your store's shipping options live, and where customers will see the choices you configure at checkout. On the shipping page, you'll notice an option to import from Etsy. If you already sell there and have rates set up, you can click Import from Etsy to bring those settings over. It's a convenient way to keep things consistent across platforms. If you don't use Etsy, or you'd like to build your shipping from scratch, we'll create a new option right here in Squarespace. Click Add Shipping option. You'll see three types you can work with. Flat rate sets a fixed fee you define, no matter what's in the cart. Weight-based calculates fees by total order weight, which is helpful if you've added accurate weights to your products. Carrier calculated pulls live rates from supported carriers based on package details and destination. Take a moment to preview each so you know what's available. For this walkthrough, we'll go with flat rate, which is simple, predictable, and easy for shoppers to understand. After selecting flat rate, give your shipping option a clear, customer-friendly name. Click the shipping option name field and type a label, like standard shipping or express shipping. This is exactly what your customers will see at checkout, so keep it short and descriptive. Now set your rates. Click Set Shipping Rates. In per order fee, enter 100. This is a base fee applied to each order that chooses this option. Next, click Per Item Fee and enter 60. This adds a charge for each item in the cart and is useful if orders with more items require more packaging or higher postage. Remember, your store currency determines how these amounts display. The numbers here are just example values to illustrate the setup. If you charge a handling fee to cover packing materials or fulfillment time, click Add Handling Fee and enter 2%. A percentage-based handling fee scales with the order total, so it grows with higher value purchases. If you prefer to keep things simpler, you can always leave this off, but it's available when you need it. Next, define where this option is available. Click Select Regions you will ship to, search for the destination you want, then choose United States. Limiting a shipping option to a specific region is important when rates or service levels vary by country or area. You can always come back and add more regions or create different options for different locations. When you're done, click Save. You'll return to the main shipping page where you'll see a summary of the new rule showing the per order fee, per item fee, and handling fee you just set, along with the regions it applies to. This summary makes it easy to confirm everything looks right at a glance. If you want to make changes, click the three dots next to your shipping option and choose Edit to adjust the name, fees, or regions. If you decide you no longer need this option, click the three dots again, choose Delete, and confirm. Deleting removes the option from checkout immediately, so use it when you're sure you won't offer that rate anymore. That's it. You've navigated from your dashboard to shipping, explored the available shipping types, created a flat rate option with per order and per item fees, added a handling percentage, limited it to the region you want, saved it, and learned how to edit or delete it later. As a final tip, place a test order in your store to preview how the option appears at checkout and confirm the math matches your expectations. You can build additional options the same way for other speeds, services, or regions, and refine them over time as your shipping needs evolve.